Are you opening Spotify only to get blocked by the frustrating "something went wrong" error screen? This generic connection failure stops your music playback and locks your login screen. Fortunately, you can fix this in under 2 minutes with a few simple steps. Let's resolve this issue right now.
First, disable any active VPN or ad blocking software on your device. Next, open the Spotify settings. Scroll down to the proxy settings block and change the proxy type dropdown from auto detect to no proxy. Finally, restart the application to apply the network config update.
If the issue persists, clear your corrupted local database files. Click the 3 dots menu, navigate to Help, select Troubleshooting, and click on Reset App Data. You can also go to Spotify Settings, find the Storage section, and click the Clear Cache button directly.
Windows Store versions of Spotify are prone to installation bugs. Uninstall the app completely. Visit the official Spotify website and download the standalone desktop installer instead. This bypasses store package errors and installs a clean version.
Relaunch Spotify and verify that your profile loads and music plays smoothly. The connection should now be fully restored. Please review the disclaimer below. Like, subscribe, and comment if this tutorial solved your error.